Okay, here I'm going to demonstrate how to do a couple of problems from your homework. This is number 17, and you're going to um, determine what the percentage of we have the chemical equation of sucrose. We have 20 grams of sucrose, and this is the chemical equation. And we want to find out if there are 8.4 grams of carbon in that sample, then what is the percentage of carbon? So I'm going to put a question mark there because I want to find out what is the percentage of carbon in this sample. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 8.4 grams of carbon and divide it by the total amount of the compound. So 8.4 divided by 20, and you could just put that into your calculator, and we get 0.42, and that is, if we multiply by 100, then we can turn that into a percentage, so it would be 42% carbon. So that's what that, when we want to know what is the percentage of carbon from there, that's how we find that. Now number 18 is a similar problem. Here we are going to still looking at sucrose, so I'm just writing down the chemical equation for sucrose. So now we have a percentage of 51.5% oxygen, and we want to know how much is that in grams of oxygen. And our sample, or our sample amount, so what we're going to do is that we're actually going to change that into a decimal, not a percentage, so it would be 0.515, and we're going to multiply it by the total sample mass. So I'm going to multiply it by 20 grams again, because that's my total, my sample. And in this case, I get 10.3 grams of oxygen. And that's all we have to do.